Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on the Settings option once again. Here, click on the blue text that says See More in Account Center. Then click on Add Preferences option. Go to Add Settings. Click on Activity Information from Add Partners option. Then click on Review Setting option. Here, select the second option that says Don't make my ads more relevant by using this information. Tap on the confirm button, and that is how you can delete suggested for you on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.